A country without a ruler, what will happen? That is what is Bangladesh is all about. Bangladesh boom came with the textile industry. All the textile industry of Tirupur from Tamil Nadu just moved on to Bangladesh because of lot of facilities what government was giving. Sheikh Hasina opened up doors for economical reforms along with the economical growth. But what has happened now? Now there is a unrest. Yunus can be said as a head of Bangladesh country, but he is not a real head. There are a lot of military people around him. So when a country is without a head, there is not going to be a clear path for growth. So coming 1 year for Bangladesh, it's going to be really difficult. First is there's going to be a chaos and unrest in the country. So that means there's going to be a major hindrance for the growth in the Bangladesh economy. Next is the power shift will happen, but Hasina cannot go back to Bangladesh. Coming out of Bangladesh is over for Hasina. And here her going back will be like murdering, self-murdering or suicidal attempt for Sheikh Hasina. The other important thing is that they might go in for more loans from World Bank and more loans from China, which will make their economic growth very, very slow. And when Bangladesh is going to become wobbly, it's going to put lot of crisis in the border areas, which is going to be tough for India. But for China, it's going to be a heyday where China will like to come inside and take up large chunk of the industry or the land for its growth and development. But for India, it means there's going to be a new boom in the textile economy. When the country is in unrest, people are not willing to invest in that country. That is going to happen for Bangladesh. So all the textile industry which migrated from Tirupur or other parts of India to Bangladesh will be forced to come back. Since nothing is going to happen, there's not going to be a concrete political or economical reforms which is going to open up. So for people of Bangladesh, the living GDP or the standard of living is going to come down. And incidentally, one important thing happened. I have few clients, women clients, who used to come from Bangladesh and take a reading. They used to tell me all women have lot of problems in living in Bangladesh. I was not able to understand, not because it is a Muslim country. I checked the Bangladesh independence horoscope, it shows Rahu Venus. So obviously in Bangladesh, women are not going to be very peaceful and people are not going to allow women to grow. So most of the women or the young girls from Bangladesh would like to migrate from the country to other parts of the world, either for education or settling down to become very strong in their career. So that's going to be a major shift in Bangladesh as a country where people are going to have a lot of hardship. For next 1 year, it's going to be a slow growth, not a major growth, and it's going to be a boom time for India. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Bangladesh.